Alright guys, welcome back to the Mad County Build Series. As you can see behind me, the drywall is here and they are unloading it. I tell you what, equipment and tools make your life so much easier. You can see this boom behind me right here. It's got a set of forks. They can pick up a whole pallet of drywall, take it up to the second story, tip it up at the angle they need it. They have this really nice plastic piece that goes over the window so they can slide the edge of the drywall right through that little piece. It protects the window and it keeps them from having to take it up the stairs. So this is a very efficient process. They got a cart, they put it on a cart, wheel it to the room that they need it in, and it's ready to go. So we are pumped here at the Mad County Build to finally get this drywall here. So when I started this project, I knew that I was not going to move all this drywall. The thought of moving it all the old-fashioned way was just too much for me to even think that I could do. And after watching these guys with this equipment move this drywall in, that is definitely the right decision. They're very efficient, and this went very fast. And this right here proves that having the proper equipment and tools to do a job is extremely important. All of the drywall for the upstairs went through that window right there, and they used that set of forks to pick up a load of drywall, brought it up to the window, and you can see how they could pitch it just at the perfect angle. So all they had to do is slide it off of those forks through that plastic window protector that they had right on to their cart and take it right to the room that they needed it. The two guys that delivered this drywall busted it, and I tell you what, they unloaded this entire truck in less than 2 hours, which really surprised me. And as far as the downstairs goes, you can see that they could swing that drywall right to the front door, where all they had to do is drag it off those forks right onto their cart and distribute it throughout the house. So there's a couple different types of drywall that we got. We have regular half-inch drywall. Most of this is in 12-foot lengths. Upstairs, it's 4 by 12 feet, and then downstairs, they're 54 inches by 12 feet. And the reason for the 54 inches is because then they can just do 2 sheets, and that'll cover the 9-foot ceiling height. And then upstairs we have all 8-foot ceilings, so they do 48-inch by the 12-foot length. All of the bathrooms will be mold and mildew resistant drywall, which is all 1/2 inch on the walls. Wherever you're going to have ceiling joists that go up to an attic where you have ceiling joists that are 2 foot on center, he puts up 5/8 inch drywall. He likes to do that because it doesn't sag. And when you put the weight of your blow-in insulation, depending on how much you do, if you put 1/2 inch drywall on 24-inch centers, you can see some sagging over time. So he likes to use the 5/8 inch drywall. So on all of the ceilings upstairs, it'll all be 5/8. The walls will all be 1/2 inch. The bathrooms will all be mildew resistant drywall. But other than that, it's all here, it's in place, and we are super excited about it. Alright, thanks for watching this video. They start hanging the drywall tomorrow morning, 7:30. I'll try to keep you up to date, as close to real time as possible. But if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, share us with your friends, and we will catch you on the next video.